Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adobe Media Encoder for H.264 and H.265 settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe Media Encoder on your computer. Once the application has launched, locate the Sign In option at the top right corner of the window. Click on the Sign In button. A login prompt will appear on your screen. Enter your Adobe ID email address in the designated field. Next, input your password into the password field. Ensure that both entries are correct to avoid any login issues. After confirming your credentials, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, navigate to the Presets panel on the right side of the interface. To select the H.264 format, click on the Format drop-down menu. From the list, choose H.264. Next, select the output preset that fits your requirements. For H.265, repeat the process by choosing the Format drop-down again. This time, select H.265 from the available options. Adjust any necessary settings such as resolution, bitrate, and frame rates in the video and audio tabs as needed. Always preview your settings to ensure they meet your project specifications. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click on the Q button to add your project for encoding. Finally, hit the green Start Queue button to begin the encoding process. Your video will now be processed using the selected H.264 or H.265 settings. Wait for the encoding to complete. You will receive a notification when it's finished. You can then check the output folder for your encoded video file. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.